In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a Spotify account in 2024. Creating a Spotify account is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to listen to your favorite music or explore new podcasts and playlists, having an account makes it simple to enjoy everything Spotify has to offer. To get started, open up the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Spotify. Once you see Spotify in the search results, tap on it. Tap on the Get button or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, open up the Spotify app. Here, you'll be greeted with a welcome page that looks something like this. To start creating your account, simply tap on the Sign Up for Free button. Now you have several options for signing up. You can choose to continue with email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. For convenience today, let's select Continue with Google. Next, choose which Google account you want to associate with your new Spotify profile. Once selected, tap Continue again. Now it's time to fill out some personal information. First, select your date of birth. This step helps personalize your experience. Next up is selecting your gender. You can also opt for Prefer Not to Say, if you're not comfortable sharing this information. After that, enter a name that you'd like to associate with your Spotify account in the provided field. This will be visible when you share music or playlists with friends. Finally, tap on the Create Account button. To enhance your music discovery experience right from the start, you'll need to select 3 or more artists you enjoy listening to. This helps Spotify curate personalized recommendations tailored just for you. Once you've made your selections, simply tap Done. You've successfully created your Spotify account. Now that you've created an account and selected some artists, you're ready to start exploring. Dive into playlists curated just for you or search for specific songs and albums. Enjoy discovering new music tailored perfectly to fit your taste. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.